Welcome to the island of Vieques, Puerto Rico. This is El Fortín de Conde Mirasol, which overlooks Isabel Segunda. This was the last fort that was built in the Americas during the Spanish Empire back in 1845. And today is one of the tourist attractions on Vieques, as it hosts a museum and amazing views. It's listed on the National Register of Historic Places, and movie buffs may recognize it as the backdrop to the movie Heartbreak Ridge, which starred Clint Eastwood. We're starting the video here because today's property tour is just across the street at the base of the fort, so let's go check it out. Here we are across the street from the fort at La Iguana Morada, which in English would be the purple iguana. This is a shallow front yard to the property. Again, right across the street is the fort. It has one electric meter here for the property. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, kitchen, and a back deck that we'll see in a second. Coming right into the property takes us right into the living room. What pops out to me is the nice tile flooring that is consistent throughout the property. There's a TV, table, desk, and sofa set up here. As you may tell, this is currently being set up as an Airbnb property. I think it'd also be suitable as a long-term rental or primary residence. But this is currently set up for Airbnb, so you'll notice the amenities set up for that. So we got the living room here, right off the front door, and off of here we have the first bedroom of 3. There's a bed in here. I believe it's a full or a queen. There's a mini split AC, ceiling fan, ceiling light, and a window, and you'll find all those amenities throughout each of the bedrooms. There's your electrical panel. Other side of the wall there was where the electrical meter was. You've got concrete walls, concrete ceiling, wood doors, and the nice tile floor. From the living room, it takes us back into the kitchen area. This kitchen, as you can see, there's some built-in counters. They're built out of concrete. Very simple kitchen, not exactly dine-in, but you've got the room in the back deck for that. It does have the double sink, concrete frame to the whole sink area. This really is a nice indestructible property, which I think is why it's doing well as a rental. Again, there's the concrete built-in counters. And for a rental, you get the cooktop, the coffee maker, microwave, and toaster oven. Everything that people need to enjoy their vacation. Again, this is as a rental. This is actually doing very well as a rental. About $25,000 in annual rental revenue. This is March of 2025, so those numbers may change in the future. Here we have the second bedroom, which is off the kitchen. It looks more like a full bed to me. Again, same amenities: the AC, ceiling fan, and lights, and one window that faces out to the back of the property. So this is the second bedroom. First and second bedroom are kind of the same size to me. You've got the louvered windows there. All the windows in the house have louvers on them to block out the light and to help during storms. As we go back out into the kitchen, we'll cross over. And there's one bathroom here. It's a full bath. And here we can see the toilet, the window, the mirror, the vanity. And one of the features I like here is I actually like the shower floor. If you notice the river stone there, must be a nice feeling when someone's in the shower. And you've got the bar there as well, safety bar, which is nice. So that's a full bath. Plenty of space and amenities for a full bath, as one would expect. And then across the hall from here is the third bedroom. And going into the third bedroom, you'll see here on the left is a owner's closet. So you can keep like cleaning supplies and personal items of the owner in there. And there's another shelving unit on the right coming into this back bedroom. This bed here looks a little bigger than the others. I've got to double check on the bed size, but that one looks to me more like a full. This room, besides the same amenities, the AC and the ceiling fan, has windows on 2 sides of the room, so a little extra light. And you'll also notice that with these louvered windows, these aren't screens on the windows, these are actually plastic. A lot of rental properties will put the plastic windows in. because this prevents renters from, opening the windows, running the AC all day, and you eating the costs of running up your electric. So it's a nice plus. This property is turnkey ready as a rental or as a primary residence. So just something to keep in mind. There aren't a lot of move-in ready homes right now in Vieques at an affordable price, which this one is. And here's the bonus to the house. Off the back is a nice wood deck. This is where you're going to be having your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, your drinks. There is a tin roof to it. There's also a lounging area out here. There's like a sofa out here on the left corner. You've got the wood floor, the wood railing, and the whole porch is actually screened in. I don't know if it's going to come through on this video. And down below there's a dry creek bed that runs through there. And this is actually the creek that runs out under the bridge by the ferry terminal. And there you can see the screening there. But nice view, a nice quiet background. Everybody likes the green scenery. It's a good place to start and end your days out there. And also, as is typical in the tropics, washer and dryer are out here on the back porch. Nice amenity to have both for renters, folks that, as an add-on amenity for any sort of long-term or short-term rental. So this is great property, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. You've got that nice deck off the back, move-in ready. Again, here's the other side of the living room. And if you'd like to see the property in person, feel free to give me a call. Contact me. I'm Bob at Paraiso Realty. Our website, paraisorealtypr.com. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. We're up to about 1,200 people on YouTube. We'd like to grow that channel a little bit more, and we'll see you on the next tour.